you my best bird right here. In my opinion. There's two of them. There's a direct daughter of 324. Direct daughter of 324. She's just like her mother, y'all. The only thing, she came out with white flight and a little white beard. You know, same body as her mother. Clip the wings. Clip the wings. Pull one already. I do it different from everybody. This a grizzly right here. This is one of my grizzles. Young bird, but looks like an old bird. It's finishing his molt. Just over his molt. Whoa. That bird, those two birds are from George Torres. Those two. That red checker hen too. Bird. There's another grizzly right here. Another grizzly. Also pulled his flight. It's a baby. There's another white grizzle there. Another grizzle right there. Another grizzle over there. His nestmate is that grizzle right there. Well, not nestmate, but they're the same. That grizzle right there, that white. Oh, I'll show you that one. She's nice. That's nestmate to the hand, the grizzle I just had in my hand. Come out like this. Come on. And this way is like all black too, sort of. Then I'll show you the last grizzle I bred. The smallest grizzle I got here is the baby still. He's already flying. That's also from the same family, from that grizzle right there, and that grizzle over there, and this grizzle right here. Got the all white grizzle right here. See the grizzle part right here in the tail? A little bit on the back. This is one of those Dick LaCroix pigeons. This was given to me by Dick LaCroix. Leave me you, man. I'm hungry this year. This is a beast right here. This is a big grizzle. For some reason, it's big. think I cut his flights too. Yeah. Look at that. Another grizzly. I'm not playing this shit, homie. I'm not playing, homie. I'm not playing this shit, homie. It's my last grizzle. Every grizzle I say is my last, but this is I think I got like 6 or 7 grizzles. I'd say about 7 grizzles. This is the last one. This actually came out of a black grizzle and Norman pigeon. Was a dark black check. Little puny little bird, but I don't like the head. It's square at the head. But if it flies, it flies. That's what counts, you know. This is a strawberry silver. It's a strawberry silver. Nice little head. I'm looking for that other bird. I have a bird here that I really like, and I'm not seeing it. Oh, this is off of Bastine that Glenn gave me. Glenn shipped me over this Bastine, and this is one of the birds that I got out of it. I got a couple. It's got that dark checker. Where is it? That dark check up there. Look at that. This is a yeah. Give me a second. It's a Bastine. Bastine with 317, my champion bird. This is what we got out of it. What we got. It's a big sucker. Look, I need 2 hands to hold this thing. And she's still growing. Is dinner ready? I'll be up in a few. See that? I don't understand this bird has like a double flight here. That's weird. There it goes right there. This is all for that bird that a big Bastine I got off of Glenn again. That's one. Let me show you the other one. Still got a little while on me. There's another one. This is like the nest mate, I think. There's another one related to that Bastine. The wing on that bird. And you're not supposed to open it like that. You're supposed to grab it like this. Plastic. Look at that wing. Look at the size of that when I say that wing. See how far it stretches. Well, so like I was saying, it's another one. Oh yeah, this 369 off one of Glenn's birds, a Bastine he gave me. Crossed over to my 317 hen. I got about 7 birds like that. Now I'm gonna get this what is it, from this 700 cop. This is off his 700 cop. Well, not his, of a bird that he sent me over here. 2505. This is what I got out of that bird. This one. This is 1259. 1259, I think 1258. This is a Husky Van Reel cross with a Jansen from from CBS. 371. Hope these birds are good. Let me see. What else do I have here? More Husky Van Reels. Whoa! My Husky Van Reels. See, a lot of my Husky Van Reels are dark. Like this dark color, this dark check shit. As you can see, I got them all clipped on one flight. This is a money band, 20. Doesn't matter. It's a nice bird. Nice fucking bird. This is from a slate hen and a bird, a cock that I have named Bertolucci. Also clipped. I gotta pull that flight tomorrow. This is a slate. As you can see in the color. See the color in there. It's going through a molt, but you can see the slate in there. Another son of this is the son of 317 and that Bastine I got from Glenn. Again, like I said, I think this is like the third or fourth pigeon I've bred from that. So big, I gotta make sure I grab them right, you know, I don't wanna hurt my birds. See that blue? See that molt? Boy got that molt already. Look how far he stands. You wanna see another Dick LaCroix pigeon? It's got a blue band, a green band with a pink. Oh, there he goes. This is Dick LaCroix pigeon. I clipped the tips. I gotta pull these tomorrow. I got them written down on the birds that I gotta pull. It's a Dick LaCroix pigeon. This came out of his bird that won the EGM race. Look at that. Already got a armor right there. Little step in the wing. It's going through a molt. There's another one. This is one. What's the other one? There's three. There's four birds here off of Dick LaCroix. I'll show you one of his babies. Again, every bird that I got from him has a band and then the pink band on top. So, like that first one I show you, that one right there has the band on top. The white one here has the band on top. There's another one. There's another, kind of small though. This came out of Dick LaCroix, also going through a molt, as you can see back here. It's one of his pigeons also. Little petite little bird. You see one hand bird. But this actually came out of a grizzle that got home 8th place in the money race. Well, whatever race it was. There's one more. I need to find out the blue back. This is full brother to 324. Came out of 324's parents. Came out of 324's parents. Small bird just like her. Physique is deep, just like an S500. I'll show you another one I got is a blue check, band number 388. 388 is another bird off the 324. That's not it. Where are ya? Well, I guess I lost 388. Fish?
Isn't it that one up there?
She has a green band and
a
pink band on it. The blue check. Blue check. I'm missing some birds. She's right in front of me. Look at her right there. Check off the 324 and her full brother. And just like her mother and her father. I thought it didn't have a pink band, that's why I was going crazy. Show you a curve. Super Kirk pigeon, birds I got from Mountain View Loft a couple of years ago. That's one. The other blue bar. Looking for another blue bar. Oh, here we go. This is the other blue bar from Dick McCroy. See, this one is the other one. It's right there with the pink band on top of the green. That one is a little light check pencil or something like that. This is another bird off of his family of birds. Nice body. See, like I said, I have this. And the pink on top. Nice body. It doesn't like to be handled. I don't like to handle most of my birds. Check it out. I'm going to show you Joe's Taurus bird right now. Here's Joe's Taurus, right? Look at this tail. Well, he's growing in his other ones, but normally it'll be a straight tail. Nice little bird. This is all for that Tony stuff that he has, you know. He has some family from Tony's Loft. This is one of the birds from there. Now check this out. This bird has a green band, right? Look at this bird. Now look at this bird. I love this shit, yo, because this one is mine. I bred this one. See, it has white and black on the flights. White and black on the flights. Strong wings. Doesn't like me to handle him either. But that's the first one right there that I was just showing you. This is the face on this one. This is also of a Kirk pigeon. Crossed back to another Kirk sire. But I don't know how those birds.
What about that big one right there? The splash.
Oh, this other splash here. There's another splash. These come off tomorrow too. This comes off tomorrow too. There's another splash. This one has a green band. This is 1286, 386. That's 400. What's 357 at? And I think the other one I just had in my hand was 357. That one right there. And this is another one. I don't know what this came out of. It's just as long as they fly, man. They flew well today. Yo, I'm out of here. 7 Hills Loft. Peace.